Hello everybody, this is Anand here. Today we're going to embark on an interesting journey. That is, we're going to take up the topic of inequalities. Now often all of you are quite familiar with equations like x is equal to 5 or y is equal to 7. No doubt. Someone says, I have 6 rupees with me. Understand. But inequalities go beyond that. Sometimes they do perplex you. What exactly does this mean? Take a simple case in our daily life. Sometimes you come across your friend who says, well, I don't seem to be sharing a very good equation with my parents. Now, often we do translate this as there don't seem to be any vibes, and hence your friend feels that he is at a disadvantageous position. Come to think of another example, you're going to a nightclub. All of you love doing that. So when you go there, there's a simple rule, stags are not allowed. So you need to have minimum of 3 people to enter that particular club. Now minimum is a slightly technical word. In daily life, we say there have to be 3 or more. So if it's just 1, strict no. If it's 2 of you going inside, not allowed. 3, yes, you can just manage to. If it's 4 or 5, you're very much welcome. So this introduces the concept of what we mean that minimum, which is translated as at least 3 people, which can be written as x is greater than or equal to 3, which means that there are 3, absolutely fine, 4, 5, any number which is more than 3. Obviously, we're going to deal with whole numbers now since we are talking about people. Let's take a case, another example. So you say, this classroom can have at most 10 girls. Which means that you can have a maximum of 10 girls in this class, which could mean there could be 1, 2, 3, or anything up to 9 or even 10, but definitely not 11. 11 is not allowed. Now, how do we translate this in terms of an inequation? We say, so all these numbers, if you look at them, they are either 10 or less than 10. So how do we write it? This means that each of these numbers at a time is less than 10 or it is equal to 10. Hence, we have the case of a number greater than or equal to another number, which means minimum, and a number less than or equal to a particular number, which means you have a maximum of 10. We have other cases also. You say, I got more marks than you. So, Rohan gets 65 and you got 66. So, you have got more than Rohan. So, it's a simple case of x more than 65. This is translated as x more than 65. Right? Or we have a case wherein you say you're sad. Well, I'm earning much less than Mahima. Right? So that means Mahima is earning maybe around 20k per month and you are earning less than her. So you're earning less than 20,000. So hence, we are covering 4 aspects in this. Greater than or equal to, which means you have got minimum of a number, less than or equal to, which means you got maximum of a particular number, greater than or less than. Now, this is what all inequality is, and what the implications of these are is what we're going to cover in this particular topic. So, let's see what our journey is going to hold for us as to what we are going to cover in this particular topic.